Hello everyone, this is Mohammed Azam from Kanpur Institute of Technology from Business Administration Department. I say that KIT is one of the excellent colleges in Kanpur as well as UP, and the USPs of a college includes excellent placement record, skill oriented courses, and to add that you can say we focus on the customer centric education. Apart from that, the teaching pedagogy is out of the box and the focus is on innovative approaches so that the students can have the industrial as well as you can say the theoretical experience. To add that, it is a perfect place where dreams come true. So I will suggest that if you are aspiring to be an engineer, manager, or some other course, go for KIT. Thank you.